I've been taking a bit of a breather from YouTube lately just because of everything that's going on in the world right now, and I've still been crafting and I've still been filming because that's always been a form of stress relief for me, but I wanted to share something a little bit different today. I've been making YouTube videos for 7 years now, on and off, and I don't think I've ever had such an emotional reaction to the comment section of a video as I did with the mask video that I put up several weeks ago. So many of you guys shared stories about your personal connections with New Orleans or Houston. You told me stories about your sewing machines because you recognized the one that Edward was using in the video, and honestly, some of your comments made me cry, so thank you for that. I also got a lot of comments about how long-winded my 2-minute intro was, so I'm going to try to make this one a little bit quicker, but I can't make any promises. Because so many of you were supportive of my brother, I wanted to share another video that we teamed up to film. And please be aware that a lot of this was filmed pre-pandemic, so if you see crowds in this video, don't be alarmed.
Hello, I'm Edward Wycliffe, and I'm the founder of Bow Shui Shui. I've been making bow ties with an African fabric called Shui Shui, and I've been selling them in the streets of New Orleans since 2015. I started the business while I was a Peace Corps volunteer in Lesotho, a small mountain kingdom surrounded by South Africa. My partner Katleo and I taught ourselves to sew and then traveled from village to village offering jobs to the Basotho throughout the mountain kingdom. In the past 5 years, we've trained more than 150 people to sew our designs using this fabric, which has a history in Africa spanning almost 200 years. I brought the business from Lesotho to New Orleans to build a brand. In 2019, we were invited to sell our products at the hottest of local events, Jazz Fest. In 2020, we were invited back, but coronavirus changed everything. All events for the year were canceled, and the nightly art market on Frenchman Street, where I sold our products, shut its gates. So I started to brainstorm how I could do business in this new world. I started making face masks with our Shui Shui fabric and provided them to a local nursing home and food bank. We were met with wild success when we started selling them to the public. We had so many orders that I was able to hire other local artists to help us in the production process. I believe masks are essential and should be free to essential workers trying to reopen our city safely. That's why we started this campaign. For each mask purchased through Kickstarter, another will be donated to essential workers and every New Orleanian that needs one. Our masks are 100% cotton, machine washable, and most importantly, breathable. When you support Up NOLA, you're creating job opportunities in New Orleans and across Southern Africa. Coronavirus has taught us we're all connected in both visible and invisible ways. So let's build a bridge between our communities, one that helps us support and protect each other. Let's all mask up and do some good for our global village.
I wanted to share it with you guys because this is about his effort to mask up the city of New Orleans, and because some of you commented on the fabric he was using and asked whether you could buy the masks that he was making, I wanted to share it because yes, you can buy the masks and in the process help either frontline workers or community members in need in New Orleans also get masks. Please take a moment to visit the description box beneath this video for links to his Kickstarter, to his Instagram, and other information about what it is he's doing right now. I will be back with a new video next week, but we are still in the middle of a pandemic, so please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.